Hello, welcome back to King's Academy. My name is Salin Jose. This is the second lessons in the series of spoken English. I hope you really enjoyed the first lesson, in which we discussed about simple present. We've been speaking about present tense in this series of video lessons. So without any introduction, we are moving on to the second lesson. Today we're going to talk about present continuous tense. So my name is Salin Jose. I'm from King's Academy. We take classes for IELTS, OET, and we give spoken English for advanced levels, communicative English training, and we give both online and in class. You can always reach us. You can download our app, or you can buy courses, and we'll be uploading a lot of videos basically for IELTS student. We'll be discussing about all modules like writing, listening, speaking, reading. I'll be showing a lot of essays. And so you can always, if you are a student of IELTS, pursuing IELTS, these lessons are really highly useful for you. And this section of these lessons are a part of spoken English program, because we discuss basics, grammar, fluency, conversative phrases. These are the major components I'll be discussing in this section. But at the same time, you know that these are also very, very important for students who are studying for IELTS and OET. So you can always reach us in our WhatsApp, Facebook, and any doubts, you can always reach us to WhatsApp as well. Right, let's move on. We are going to discuss today present continuous. Right, yes, so yes, so yeah, there you are. Right. Okay. Right. So let's talk about present continuous. Well, this is also one of the very commonly used tense in English world, but it could be mostly misused or misinterpreted, because people use this tense quite often in various occasions, and they are likely to make mistakes. In our spoken English, we use it a lot. But there are two situations where we have to use, or we can use, present continuous tense. Actually, what is it? An action which is progressing at the moment. That's what basically the present continuous, which means it is also called present progress, which means I'm speaking in English, I'm teaching you grammar, you are listening to me. The video, you're listening to me, I'm taking class. So these are an action which is progressing at the moment when we speak. And there is another instance we use. Look at the second instance where we use present continuous. An action which is hypothetically started, but will be happening in the future. For instance, like I'll be going to the UK next year. So this thing can be spoken in present continuous as well. For example, we will say that I'm going to the UK next month. My brother is going to the Dubai. My brother is going to the UAE next month, and my sister is going to start her masters after 2 months. So even though these actions will start in a future time, but we speak as if it's already started. So we use present continuous in these two situations, and this is one of the easiest tenses we can formulate in English. Look at that. Subject plus is or are or am plus verb and the ing form. What is it? When the subject is singular, we have to use is, and the subject is plural, we have to use are, and when the subject is I, we have to use am. That's it. Very, very simple, and which is the most easy tense that you can learn. Right, let's look at some examples here. Look at that. She is working in kitchen. My brother is going to Mumbai next month. I'm finishing my assignment soon. They are playing cricket. Look at that. When the subject is she, the auxiliary verb is and the ing. That's it. And what about the negative statement of present continuous? Look at that. You just add the not. To the auxiliary verb. So we are not going now. She's not watching TV. You are not listening to me. You see that? You just add not to the auxiliary verb. You get the negatives. And how about questions? The same thing. You see the basic rule in English. I taught you in the first lesson. If you haven't heard it, I will tell you one more time. If you want to make a statement question, you want to make a question from a statement, what you should do? You take the auxiliary verb and put at the beginning. So you are coming now, if you want to make a question, you take the are and put at the beginning, just before the subject. And you coming now, is she sleeping? So which means the statement is she sleeping, and the question is she sleeping? Look at that. Am I losing the competition? If you feel that you're losing to your competitor, am I losing the competition? You see that? So that's how we make question. Now we see statement, we see negatives, we see questions. These are the positive questions. Now there are negative questions as well. You see that the negative statement, like he's not watching TV, she's not watching TV, you're not listening to me. What if you make questions out of these negative statements, which means not statement? Simple as that. When you take the auxiliary verb and put at the beginning, you take the not as well. So we take is and not as well and put before the subject. So is not she studying now, or in simply speaking, we use contractions here. Isn't she studying now? Is not she studying now? Yeah, isn't she studying? What is she doing? Aren't you listening to me? Yeah, you see that? Yeah, aren't I or ain't I doing it? Yes. So you can take the auxiliary verb as well as the not, put before this subject, and you can make beautiful negative statements. Negative questions, I'm sorry. Now what about WH questions? When you make a questions, I told you, you have to put the WH words, question words, before the auxiliary verb, which comes even before the subject. You see that? So, are you crying? Which is the statement, which is the question. You're crying is the statement. Are you crying is the question. And if you want to make a WH question, you should put the WH, the question verb, the very beginning, even before the auxiliary verb. So, why are you crying? That is the order. What are you doing? Where are you moving to? How is it going? Yeah. Hi guys, how is it going? What's up? So, that's it. So, this is how we make present continuous tense. Very simple, very easy. All we did subject plus is or are or am plus ing form of the word. If the subject is singular, we use is, and the subject is plural, we use are, and the subject is I, we use are. Alright? So I think you really enjoy this lesson, and I'll come back to you with the next tense, present perfect. Alright? Thank you. Bye bye.